The world is changing. Every day we are faced with new challenges that alters the way we live and what we demand of the brands we engage with most. So how can businesses ensure that they are delivering exactly what their customers need? At InnovateMR, we provide those answers. With a direct line to high-quality voices in 95-plus countries, award-winning services, and industry-leading technologies, we can fill in the gaps in your strategy, future-proofing your business for the needs of tomorrow. As seasoned research experts obsessed with client delight, we pride ourselves on being a true research partner. We are along for every ride. We'll support your unique needs throughout fielding and transparently communicate everything that could impact your study, such as data fraud. With InnovateMR, you will answer the call of your customers. In our hearts, we are innovators passionate about what you will do next. To learn more, visit us or contact us directly at InnovateMR.com. Real people, quality data, faster answers, InnovateMR.